How to make money in Forex trading business. My name is Mohammed Azim and I am a certified Elliott Wave analyst. This video is brought to you by ReadyForex.com. Risk disclaimer. How do you know that this video is for you? This video is for you if you want to learn some quick actionable steps on how to start making money in Forex trading business. If you are a small business owner or you have a 9-to-5 day job and you want to do Forex trading to get an extra income. It is not easy to make money in Forex trading. You need to understand that Forex trading is a serious business. Instead of making money, you could lose money as well. You as a trader is trading against the big boys, the smart money, market makers, brokers, commercial traders, hedge fund managers, and banks. When you open a trade, then someone always takes the opposite side of your trade. If you sell, then someone takes the buy side of the trade. If you buy, then someone takes the sell side of trade. Out of 2%, 1% is going to lose money. The question is who? You are trading against the smart money, market makers, commercial traders, hedge fund managers, and banks. Let me tell you what they have. They have supercomputer. They have office staff. They have experienced economists who create forecasts in advance before the market actually starts moving. They have deep pockets with money. Even if they lose few trades, they can always come back. The big fish eats the small fish. As a retail trader, it is not easy to make money. The banks, hedge funds, commercial traders, and the smart money, they move the market and they try to hit the stop loss of retail traders and they get a margin call. After losing few trades, the retail traders run out of cash. Many Forex traders are losing money. Almost every day, many Forex traders contact me and ask for help. Let me show you a proof. At the left hand side, you can see this trader was losing 81 US dollar. Well, look at the right hand side. This person was losing 1156 US dollar and it keep getting worse. Here's another person. She was losing 4672 US dollars and the last one was losing 15,348 euros. So almost on a daily basis, people contact me, they ask me for help, they say they are losing their whole life of savings, they are losing money, they don't understand about the market. Now, how to start making money? Well, you need to define your current status related to money making in Forex market. Are you making money in Forex market? Are you making some money but you want to improve your trading skills? Are you losing money in Forex market? Are you confused about Forex market? If you are really serious to learn the art and skill of Forex trading, then follow the below steps. You need a plan. Without a plan, it's not going to work. Once you have a plan, then you take an action to achieve success. Now let me provide you my plan. Step number 1, get a Forex mentor. Learn a Forex trading method. If you do not have a trading method, you will not make money in the long run. You need to go through training program, invest your time and money to properly learn Forex trading. Once you acquire knowledge, you need to do some trading practice to gain experience. Then you can easily trade the market with confidence. Otherwise, Forex trading is not easy. And I've showed you examples earlier that how people are losing money. If you do not have time to learn Forex trading or you do not have money to get Forex trading educational classes, then I suggest leave Forex, else you will lose more money. Forex trading business is not for everybody. If you are still watching this video all the way to this point, then a time has come to make a decision. For those who are interested to learn Forex trading, just visit my website readyforex.com. on the home page, I have a Forex Day Trading Systems course. Let me click over here. Now, this course consists of 3 Forex trading strategies. You can check out the total course fee and rest of the other details as well. Scroll it down. This is the intro video. You can download this video in MP4 format as well to watch it later. Now, I have designed this trading course in such a way that if you want, you can just pay for one Forex trading method, learn it, practice it, get some experience and start making money. If you like what you get, then you can purchase rest of the other parts, like this is Forex trading method 555, and here's the another one, Forex trading system 666. This is a trend following trading strategy, and up over here these two are sideways trading and again sideways trading. Now these trading methods work inside multiple time frames. For example, if you have a day job or a side business and you do not have time to watch the market all day, then you can trade 4-hour and daily charts with same trading rules, entry, stop and take profit levels. Same goes with the rest of the other trading strategies. These Forex trading strategies work with multiple currency pairs as well. If you are interested to order this online course, then scroll it down and click over here, get access now. Let me go back. The next trading course is for advanced traders. This is the price patterns trading course. Click over here. And inside this trading course, I teach 5 chart patterns, also known as price patterns. You can watch the course overview video over here. And if you want, you can download the course overview video as well. You can check out the rest of the details. These are the 10 lessons. These are the topics that I'm going to cover inside price patterns trading course. If you are interested to trade with chart patterns, then this is the course. For those who wants to order it, just click over here, get access now button. Let me go back. The last but not least is the Trading with Elliott Wave course. Inside Trading with Elliott Wave course, I teach all Elliott Wave trade setups and patterns. And if you scroll it down at the left hand side, you can see the testimonials of my students. You can also check out some of the past trade examples because some people want to see my track record. So here are the past trades. I must mention that all of these Forex trading courses, they are based on one-to-one online classes. Let me scroll it down further. After the successful completion of the course, you can still talk with me. You can still communicate with me. There are different ways to communicate with me. For more Forex trading information, visit readyforex.com. Thank you.